Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet a stitch that is similar to the knitted Blackberry, Bramble, or Trinity stitch. To do this, chain 21 or any odd number of chains. Skip the first chain and make one single crochet in the next chain. In the next chain, make one treble crochet. Repeat this pattern. One single crochet in the next chain, and then one treble crochet in the next chain. And again, one single crochet, then one treble crochet. You can see what this looks like when you complete a row. On this last stitch, I'm making my last treble crochet. Before I finish the last 2 loops, I'm changing colors. If you prefer, just use the same color yarn instead of changing colors. Chain 1 and turn your work. For this entire row, we're just going to make one single crochet in each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn your work. On the first row, we did single crochet, then treble crochet. On this row, we're doing the reverse. Start with one treble crochet in the first stitch, then in the next stitch make one single crochet. Repeat this treble crochet, single crochet across the row. You can see how the little bumps are staggered now. In my last stitch, I'm making a single crochet, then changing colors. Chain 1 and turn. This row is just a row of single crochet stitches across. At the end, chain 1 and turn. On this row, we alternate the pattern again. This time, one single crochet followed by one treble crochet. Continue alternating every other row with single and treble, or treble and single stitches with a row of single crochet stitches in between.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.